There's a quiet comfort in the bedtime ritual, a warm drink, a spoonful of honey swirling into the cup. This simple act connects us to generations past, a tradition of soothing restlessness with nature's sweetness. Grandmothers have long prescribed honey in warm milk or tea to calm the mind before sleep. It's more than nostalgia. It's a mindful pause, a gentle self-care rooted in nature. As honey dissolves, we're reminded that sometimes the best remedies are simple and natural. This nightly ritual is an affirmation of our connection to the natural world. But is there more to this than comfort? Could honey actually help our bodies rest better? Tonight, we'll explore the science behind this ancient tradition. We'll look at how honey, our liver, and sleep quality are intertwined. Sometimes the smallest changes, like a spoonful of honey, can have a surprising impact on our well-being. Let's discover how this sweet ritual might help us achieve the restorative sleep we all need. Ever wake up at 3 a.m., mind racing, unable to get back to sleep? We blame stress or discomfort, but the real cause might be inside us, our liver and blood sugar. During the day, our brain relies on a steady supply of glucose. At night, the liver stores and releases glycogen to keep our brain fueled. If those stores run low, the brain senses a crisis and releases stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones jolt us awake, making restful sleep impossible. This isn't just a sleep problem, it's a fuel problem. When the liver's glycogen tank is empty, the body goes into high alert. The result? Fragmented sleep fatigue and brain fog. Understanding this connection is key. Stable, long-lasting energy is what our bodies need for peaceful, uninterrupted sleep. The solution may be simpler than you think. Let's see how honey fits into this picture. If a low liver fuel tank disrupts sleep, how do we keep it full? Enter raw honey. Raw honey's unique mix of fructose and glucose is key. The fructose heads straight to the liver, replenishing glycogen stores for the night. Glucose gives a gentle blood sugar boost, lowering stress hormones and helping the body relax. This combo supports the liver and sets the stage for deep sleep. It's not about a sugar rush, it's a strategic, gentle intervention. Honey's slow-release energy keeps blood sugar stable, preventing those 3 a.m. wake-ups. It also helps the brain produce melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. A spoonful of raw honey before bed is a simple, natural way to support your body's overnight needs. Sometimes the best solutions are the sweetest. The idea that honey supports sleep by fueling the liver is compelling, but research is still emerging. Some small studies show honey stabilizes blood sugar better than other sweeteners. Experts like Mike McInnes highlight honey's unique sugar profile for liver support. Honey's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties may also help overall health. While promising, this isn't settled science. More research is needed. For now, honey is a gentle, logical strategy, not a guaranteed cure. It's one tool among many for better sleep. Approach it as a supportive ritual, not a miracle fix. What changes might you notice with a nightly spoonful of honey? Many report fewer nighttime awakenings and deeper, more refreshing sleep. Stable blood sugar means less stress hormone release and more time in restorative sleep stages. People often wake up feeling more energized and resilient. Some notice fewer sugar cravings and better moods during the day. The ritual itself can be calming, signaling to your body that it's time to rest. The combination of stable energy and a peaceful routine can transform your nights. Sometimes, small changes make a big difference. Curious to try honey for sleep? Start small. 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw, unprocessed honey, 30-60 minutes before bed. Choose raw honey for its natural enzymes and benefits. Stir it into warm herbal tea, milk, or take it straight from the spoon. Find what feels best. Don't overdo it, more isn't better. Too much sugar can disrupt sleep. Avoid taking it with a large meal for best absorption. Consistency matters. Give it a week or two and pay attention to how you feel. Keep a simple sleep diary to track changes. This isn't a magic fix, but a gentle support for your body's natural rhythms. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. The goal is a small, targeted boost for your liver, not a late-night snack. Patience and mindfulness are key. Remember, honey is just one piece of the sleep puzzle. True, lasting sleep improvements come from a holistic approach. Build a calming bedtime routine. Dim lights, avoid screens, and try relaxing activities. Get morning sunlight. Exercise regularly, and limit caffeine. Keep a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. The honey ritual can be a gentle addition, but it's not a miracle cure. Listen to your body and experiment with what works for you. Combine honey with good sleep hygiene for the best results. Small mindful changes can lead to deep, restorative sleep. Give yourself the chance to wake up refreshed and ready for the day.